how to connect a camera to TV for live view. Hey everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. If you're looking for a super simple solution on how to connect a security camera to a TV without a DVR, just for a live view, no recording, watch this video. We've been supplying this solution for almost 10 years now, and we've sold thousands of them to customers all over the country for all kinds of use cases where someone just wants to simply have a live TV view of their security camera using either an indoor or an outdoor security camera. So first, let me explain how it works, and then I'll run you through a demo using a camera that we installed out in front of our warehouse here in Florida. So the key is our HD CV3 BNC to HDMI converter box. That lets you take any of our Viewtron BNC security cameras and connect it to the box and then output that video to any standard HDMI television. So here I have our Viewtron HD Q7. That's an extremely popular model, 1080p resolution. We use our Siamese CCTV camera cable to connect the BNC output of the camera to the BNC input of the converter box. And then that Siamese cable also runs the power to the camera. So there's a power connection that also runs back to where the converter box is located. And we supply you with a standard power supply for the camera that goes into a standard 110 power outlet. The converter box is also comes with a power supply and gets connected to a standard wall outlet. And then you simply just connect the HDMI output of the HD CV3 to your TV. Plug and play, you have live video. There's no configuration. Everything is automatically detected. It just works. Optionally, there is a BNC video loop output on the BNC to HDMI converter box in case you want to send that video to another device, like you may want to also record. But this is mainly just for covering live view in this video. So that's how it works. Let's run through a quick demo. I have a TV in my office. I have a camera mounted outside in front of the office, and I'll show you now how it works.
Here's the setup in my office, and over here I have my BNC to HDMI converter. This is the coax cable coming out from the camera and into the BNC input of the converter. And here's the HDMI output going out from the converter and into my TV. This is the power cable powering the converter, and then the only thing you can't see is the DC power adapter for the camera. And here's the live security camera display on my TV. And something I want to mention, those lines that you see on the TV, those are not really there. For some reason, when you videotape a TV or monitor, it creates those lines for some reason. When I'm looking at that TV, I do not see those.
Guys, I hope this video has been helpful and showed you how easy it is to connect a camera to a TV for a live view. And this was the best solution to connect a single security camera to a TV without a DVR. But we also have multi-camera solutions. We actually have video multiplexers in 4-channel, 8-channel, and 16-channel models that let you view multiple security cameras live on a TV without a DVR for recording. And we sell this solution in a kit on our website, actually a few kits with our most popular camera models, where you get the camera, you get the cable that you need, you obviously get the converter, the power supply, and the HDMI cable. You just supply your own TV. But there's all kinds of configurations that can be done beyond the pre-configured kits that we have on the website. You could actually use any of our Viewtron security cameras with this, and you may need an indoor camera or a weatherproof outdoor camera. You may need a camera where the lens zooms in because the area you want to monitor is a bit distant. So we don't have every single camera configured in this kit, which is why we offer custom quotes and even phone consultations if you need one. I'll link to everything down below in the video, the simple single camera kit, as well as the multiplexer multi-camera kit. But you could reach out to me anytime for a free email or phone consultation. I can be reached directly at mike@viewtron.com. If you want to go to our main page that shows all of our live camera solutions on the website, please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/TV. Thank you for watching.